Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your TD Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Firstly, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in tdbank.com. Once you do that, it will take you to the official website of TD Bank. And over here you can see the login button. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login portal of TD Bank. And over here enter the username of your account. And in the password section, enter the password of your account. And if you are using a private computer, you can check mark here remember me for the further use. But I do not recommend you to do that in the public computer. And once you do that, click on login. You will be logged into your TD Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your username or password, you can click here forgot username or password to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your TD Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.